Alright, hello my friends and welcome back to another video here on Rebel Trading, where I will show you how to become more profitable in your day trading journey. So in today's video I got a 5-minute scalping strategy that works quite well on the Euro US dollar pair, but it also works quite well on forex, stocks, and crypto. Pretty simple basic strategy, so it's excellent for beginners, but of course if you're an intermediate or advanced level trader, you can incorporate different types of nuances or strategies to improve it. Also, be sure to stick to the very end of this video and I'll show you how to set up alerts on this trade so that you don't have to stare at charts all day. So once we're on tradingview.com, the first thing we're going to do is go up and click on indicators. The first indicator that we'll be using is the UT bot alerts by Quant Nomad. The second indicator that we will be using is the linear regression candles. We're going to use the one by UG Uruvu. Click on that. Alright, at this point this is how your chart should start to look like. Alright, so now for the settings. What we're going to do is we're going to go up here, click on UT bot alerts. On inputs, we're going to change the key value to 2, and we'll change the ATR period to 1. From the linear regression candles, we're going to change the signal smoothing to 7, and we'll use the linear regression length on 11. We're also going to go to style, and then we're going to go down here to the plot line. We're going to make this line a little bit more thicker so it's more visible, and feel free to change the color if you wish as well. Alright, so for the strategy it's quite simple. For the long, all we're going to do is we're going to wait for a buy signal to appear, and after that's appeared, we're going to wait until the line crosses above this white line right here. Once those conditions have been met, we can take a long position. So open up your long position, then we're going to set the stop loss right down a few points below the most recent swing low. Now for the exit position, you're going to wait until the first candle turns red. So if we waited for those conditions to appear, we would have had quite a profitable long position. On top of that, I would encourage you to take up profit along the way, especially since if you're not going to be here at your computer screen for too long, I recommend taking profit between the 1.5 to the 2 risk reward ratio. After that's happened, you can just move your stop loss up, and then you can just hold the rest of the trade until the first red candle appears. Alright, so for our next long, as we can see, a buy signal has appeared and the candle closed above the white line. Put our trade right here, a few points below the swing low, and again, if you would have held until the candle closed red, you would have had another profitable position. So for the short position, we're going to do pretty much the complete opposite. We're going to wait for the sell signal to appear. We're going to wait for the bar to close below the white line. So I would say if the candle, the second one, doesn't close completely below the white line, I would say go ahead and wait for the next trade to appear. Please be patient with these strategies. So as we can see, we have our conditions met. A sell signal has appeared, and we can see that the candle closed completely below, or mostly below, the white line. So we can take our next position a few points below the swing highs where we will be putting our stop loss. Wait for the first green candle to appear, and we can see that we had a massive profitable short position. So something that can invalidate this trade, I would say, again, if you don't wait for the candles bodies to close completely above or below the white line, you kind of risk losing the trade. Also, if you see long wicks on the bodies of the candle, this represents high volatility. I would recommend just not trading on anything at all. Alright, so now for the trade alerts. What you're going to do is you're going to right click on either the buy or sell position, click on add alert. You're going to make sure it says UT bot alerts. You're going to click on once per bar close, and we're going to set up 2 alerts. We'll set one for the long and one for the short position. After that, you should get alerts sent to your phone or whatever device that you use for trading. I use one for my phone so that if I'm busy, I can just open it up and start trading. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Again, I'd greatly appreciate it if you guys would click on the like button, and also consider subscribing to the channel. Once I hit 1,000 subs here on YouTube, I'll be releasing my free Telegram trade group where I'll show you how I make trades on a very regular basis. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.